Welcome to the second session of the chapter Natural Resources. In this module, we are going to learn air as a natural resource. Dear children, in the last module, we had learned that air covers the earth like a blanket and it forms the atmosphere. The region of the earth where the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere interact is called as the biosphere, which supports life. In this module, we're going to learn about air as a natural resource. The air of the atmosphere, it comprises of various gases. That means it is a mixture of gases. And life is present on the earth because of these gases, especially oxygen. In addition to oxygen, there are nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, along with oxygen, which are necessary to support life. Other planets, such as Mars and Venus, contain majority amount of carbon dioxide, that is around 95 to 97% comprises carbon dioxide, and that is why it is believed life cannot exist in the other planets. This is a pie diagram which gives us an idea about the composition of the different gases present in the atmosphere. And we can see that the majority amount of the gas, that is 79%, constitutes the nitrogen. We have learned that nitrogen is used to produce a number of organic molecules like proteins, vitamins, nucleic acids, etc. And this nitrogen cannot be absorbed by the plants directly. It is done with the help of nitrogen fixers, and this fixed nitrogen is utilized or absorbed by the plants and transferred to animals through the food chain. All this we have studied in the nitrogen cycle in class 8. The second abundant gas is the oxygen, and oxygen is necessary to support life. And 1% constitutes other gases. Other gases includes carbon dioxide, which constitutes only 0.03%, and other small proportions of gases like argon and water vapor. Now let us learn the importance of oxygen. Oxygen is important for respiration by plants and animals. Can we survive without oxygen? No. In order for the combustion of fossil fuels, oxygen is a very important component. So oxygen is used for respiration and also for combustion of fossil fuels. Carbon dioxide. We learn how carbon dioxide is fixed by living organisms. Plants fix carbon dioxide in the atmosphere through the process called as photosynthesis. We know photosynthesis is the process by which the solar energy is converted to chemical energy by the process called as photosynthesis, and this is done with the help of the chlorophyll molecule which is present in green plants, and they absorb the sunlight and convert it into the usable form of energy, that is glucose, and thus it enters into the food chain and it is made available to all organisms on this biosphere. So that is how the amount of carbon dioxide is fixed by the green plants. And also marine animals absorb the atmospheric carbon dioxide and it is utilized for the formation of their shells. So marine organisms in the water bodies absorb the carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere to form the carbonic acid. And these carbonate ions are used by marine animals to make shells. So these are the importance of oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide, which is present in the atmosphere and without which human beings or any other organisms cannot survive. The atmosphere also helps in maintaining the temperature. The presence of gases around the earth prevents an increase in the temperature of the earth during the daytime. It also prevents the harmful radiations of the sun from reaching the earth's surface. The atmosphere prevents the heat of the earth in escaping the earth's surface during the night time. And it is very important to understand that moon has no atmosphere. Hence, it faces extreme temperature ranging from minus 190 degrees to 110 degrees. So that's the importance of atmosphere, as it helps to regulate the temperature. It prevents the harmful radiations from entering the earth's surface. It prevents the heat from the earth's surface to escape out during night time. Apart from this, the atmosphere plays a very important role in controlling our climate. The atmosphere covers the earth like a blanket, and we know air is a bad conductor of heat. It prevents a sudden increase in temperature during the day and also slows down the escape of heat during the night. So it controls the temperature by not allowing the increase in temperature beyond a certain limit during daytime, and it also prevents the extreme cooling during nighttime by preventing the heat from escaping from the earth's surface. So the atmosphere keeps the average temperature of the earth fairly steady during day and also throughout the year. So atmosphere plays a very important role in sustaining life. It also helps in controlling the temperature. It also helps to regulate the climates. Thank you.